Hi, my name is Brian Norton with the In-Data Project at Easterseals Crossroads, and today we're going to be talking about the Tap to Alexa feature that's found on Amazon Echo Show devices. So let's go ahead and take a look. All right, so we're going to talk a little bit about a feature on the Amazon Echo Show devices called Tap to Alexa. This is a great feature for folks to simply, if they have a difficult time either speaking or maybe they have a difficult time hearing the notifications and other types of things, this is just a great way for them to get access to the screen in a much different way. And so I already have it activated, but I'm going to go ahead and open up my menu, and I'm going to show you where this is located. So if I go into my settings menu, I can scroll down to accessibility. I'm going to click on it. And then I'm going to move on down my screen. It's down towards the bottom. It says Tap to Alexa to interact with Alexa via touch. And so this allows me to start using a touch screen option instead of always having to speak the commands that I want it to use. And so I'm going to go back out, close out of my menu system, go back out to my home screen. Now I've already turned it on, and the way you know it's on is there's a little finger over here in the side bottom left-hand corner of the screen. That's always going to be on your screen, and that's how you get into Tap to Alexa. And so I'm going to go ahead and press that, and when I do, it's going to bring up a different screen for me, kind of a touch interface. And so instead of having to announce, hey, tell me what the weather is, now I can just simply click on the button to learn what the weather's like. And if I click on that,
the current weather is 54 degrees Fahrenheit with showers. Today, you can look for rainy weather with a high of 58 degrees and a low of 38 degrees. Would you also like the current humidity?
No. And so now I've brought that up. And so again, all of these things, I can set alarms, I can learn the news, I can go to shopping lists, I can set timers. It's got a couple different screens for you if you want to learn what's happening in the latest sports, what's going on with movies, add a to-do item to your calendar or to your to-do list. You can do those types of things as well. You can also add those. If we go back to that first screen, you have an option to be able to add. And so you can give it its own command, asking it for something very specific that you want to have it do for you. But a really useful way, I'm going to come back out of it, get back out of it, go back to my main screen. Simply by turning that on, it actually turns the device more into a touch interface instead of a speaking interface, which it typically is. And so that is Tap to Alexa. Well, that's your tech tip for today. I want to say thank you to the Indiana Telephone Relay Access Corporation for sponsoring our captions today. My name is Brian Norton with the In-Data Project at Easterseals Crossroads in Indiana.